Why am I not able to excel in my listening score? This is a difficult question, but it may be because you do not have a plan that can help you get a band 8 in your IELTS listening test. So today in this video, I am going to discuss a plan, a 7-day plan to improve your listening skills and get an amazing score in your IELTS listening examination. Hello everyone, this is Yesha Manik with IELTSmaterial.com, helping you to write correct answers, get a higher band score in your IELTS examination. If you find this video helpful, then please do like, share and subscribe IELTS Material YouTube channel. Now, quickly let's look into the plan to improve your listening skills. Day 1, learn the concept of active listening. So on day 1, when you are actually going to practice for listening test, do not attend the test completely. That is, do not attend the questions. So what you should do? You should actually listen to the speakers or understand how many speakers are there in each section, how many sections, how many questions, and also the different types of question task. It's just to understand the accent, the pronunciation and the way of speaking that you would come across in your real-time examination. So the first day should always be getting comfortable with the listening test and the idea or the test pattern, and also getting to know how many speakers you can expect in your examination. Day 2, understand the instructions. Listening module has many instructions to be understood. So what should you do? You should get familiar with the different types of instructions. For example, complete the notes below, choose the correct option A, B or C, label the map or plan with no more than 2 words for each answer, or it can be complete the summary below with 1 word only. So these types of instructions and understanding them will help you to know how to present your answers. Presenting the answer in terms of words or only numbers, or selecting the correct letter. So what is the next step? Day 2, you only have to know about the instructions. If you want to learn the strategies of note completion task of listening module, then check out the video link in the description box. Day 3, learn to make notes. Listening is also considered to be a multitasking process because you would listen to the audio, you would also read the question simultaneously as well as write the correct answer. So it's actually listening, reading and writing. So making notes will definitely help you to combat many other skills, that is avoiding distractors, avoiding word spotting, or also paraphrasing the content, writing synonyms and antonyms, and not getting lost in terms of 2 or 3 answers. This happens generally in multiple choice questions. So if you learn to make notes, it will definitely help you in getting the right answer, that is the correct response, and you will be able to score band 8 in your IELTS listening test. It is definitely going to be complicated, as it is not going to be everything on your plate, just directly on your plate. It is going to be a twisted one. So making notes will help you get the correct answer in many question tasks. Therefore, learn to make notes. Day 4, practice easy questions first. So just understand what is my context. I'm just asking you to practice easy questions first, because this cannot be applied in the real-time examination as we can do for reading module. Reading is something different, where you can just turn pages, or you can turn the pages in the computer-based examination as well and complete the easy question first. But this is not possible in listening. But you can still practice easy questions. There are many audios available on the internet related to the easy question task. Also, you can visit our website IELTSmaterial.com to practice different question tasks having small audios, and this will help you to excel in these questions. What are the easy questions? I would suggest or I would recommend you to practice gap filling activities or completion task first. These actually contribute 60% of the number of questions, so you should be able to get at least 60% of the answers correct, which is somewhere around band 6. So now your task would be to practice the difficult questions later on to bridge the gap, just the 2 points, and you will be easily able to bridge the gap and get a band 8 in your IELTS listening test. So the suggestion is practice easy questions, not in the real-time examination. To learn the strategies of easy question task of listening module, check out the link in the description box. Day 5, practice difficult questions. What are the difficult questions in listening module? They are multiple choice questions, map labeling questions, and matching information questions. These questions are considered to be difficult because these actually have different other segments like distractors, where you have 2 or 3 answers given out together and you get confused which one is to be the correct one, or there might be a change of plan as well. So understanding the correct answer sometimes becomes difficult, and that is why these questions are called as difficult questions. So after practicing easy questions or after getting really comfortable with completion task, you should start practicing multiple choice questions, map labeling questions, and matching information questions, which can be complicated. So for these, you need to apply the idea of note making, avoiding distractors, and also learning the language of directions, especially for map labeling questions. It is definitely going to help you if you learn these skills before practicing the questions. Practicing difficult questions will definitely be stressful, but believe me, if you get a hold of it, it would be really easy for you to complete the listening task and get a band 8 in your IELTS examination. Day 6, practice many listening tests. So after learning about easy questions and difficult questions, now is the time when you should actually start practicing the complete listening test. So how can you do that? Practice 3 listening tests every day. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, and 1 at night. Do not practice listening tests consequently together. This will actually hamper your focus or the concentration level. Also, practicing listening tests, that is the complete listening test, will help you understand your errors, and you will also be able to improvise, learn a few spellings and a few new vocabulary as well. So if you want to excel in your listening module, these are the steps that you should involve, and you should try to use this plan effectively to get a band 8 in your IELTS examination. I would suggest or I would recommend, if you want to bridge the gap from 5.5 to band 7 or band 8, visit our website IELTSmaterial.com, book a free demo with our expert trainers, and enroll for one-on-one sessions. Day 7, work on your errors and improvise. Number 1, do not assume the answers or use the answers from your background knowledge. Instead, predict the answers. Number 2, always take the answers from the audio, especially follow the instructions very carefully. Number 3, do not make spelling errors. Number 4, practice difficult questions to improve. Number 5, if it is a paper-based examination, try to transfer the answers in 10 minutes along the correct question numbers. That means do not miss the sequence. Try to follow this 7-day plan to get an amazing score in your IELTS listening test. I want you to put your comments in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe this channel and stay updated. Thank you.